In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products from any site to Shopify. Let's start by getting into your Shopify admin. Open the Shopify website in your browser and sign into the store you want to work on. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the lower left for the settings option. Click that to open your store's settings panel. From there, find and click the apps section. This is where you manage the tools that extend your store's functionality. Inside the apps area, select Shopify App Store. This opens the official marketplace where you can safely discover and add apps. In the search bar, type Robo and press Enter. You're looking for the app called Robo Product Importer. When you see it in the results, click Robo Product Importer to open its app page. Take a moment to skim the description, features, and reviews so you understand what it offers and whether it fits your needs. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will show you a permission screen explaining what the app can access and do inside your store. Read these details carefully. If everything looks good, confirm the installation and follow the prompts on your screen. The setup process typically walks you through granting access, choosing basic preferences, and confirming your store connection so the importer can do its job. After installation, the app will guide you on how to import products. The exact workflow can vary, but it's usually straightforward, often as simple as providing a link to a product page from another site and letting the app fetch the title, description, images, variants, and pricing. Follow the on-screen instructions closely and let the app complete the import. Before you bring in a large catalog, it's smart to run a small test import. Check that the product details look correct in your Shopify admin, including images, variant options, pricing, and inventory. Make sure the description formatting reads well and that the product is set to active or draft according to your preference. If the app offers options to map categories or tags, use them to keep your store organized. Once you're comfortable, you can proceed to import more products. Feel free to explore the app's features to speed up your workflow, such as bulk importing, image handling, or automatic updates if they're available. Always review the imported listings before publishing to your storefront to ensure accuracy and a consistent brand experience. That's it. Open Shopify, head to Settings, go into Apps, visit the Shopify App Store, search for Robo Product Importer, install it, follow the prompts, and you're ready to import products. Thanks for watching and happy selling.